That COR file is a CorelDRAW Presentation Exchange document, a bridge format for sharing vector graphics between CorelDRAW and presentation applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or convert these vector design files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like COR. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. COR files are CorelDRAW Presentation Exchange format files containing vector graphics exported for use in presentation and publishing workflows. They store paths, fills text objects, and page layouts in a format designed for cross-application vector data exchange. CorelDRAW COR files use a proprietary vector format, storing Bezier curves, color definitions, text frames, and layer structures. They support CMYK and RGB color spaces with embedded font references and are optimized for high-resolution print and presentation output. The COR file originated with and is formally handled by CorelDRAW Graphics Suite developed by Corel Corporation. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows provides partial visibility only, so full use depends on presentation tools. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your COR file and click Open With. If CorelDRAW Graphics Suite is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If your COR file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, opening the file. Install CorelDRAW Graphics Suite and open the COR file via File, then Open. CorelDRAW natively supports COR files and will render all vector objects, fills, and text elements. Ensure your CorelDRAW version is compatible with the file's creation version. Next, converting to other formats. Open the COR file in CorelDRAW and export it to SVG, PDF, or EPS format via File, then Export. Select your desired format and configure export settings such as color space resolution and text handling for compatibility with your target application. Finally, alternative viewers. If CorelDRAW is not available, try opening the COR file in LibreOffice Draw or Adobe Illustrator, which may support partial import of CorelDRAW Exchange formats. Some formatting or effects may not translate perfectly between applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.